What's up, YouTube? I don't normally vlog because I feel awkward in front of a camera. I know a lot of people say that Chris Bumstead is one of the funniest vloggers that they've ever seen because he's just like, I really don't know what to say to the camera, and that kind of feels like me sometimes. So, here I am drinking a Bang because I need caffeine in the morning sometimes. This is not a sponsored video, but I do have a friend who is sponsored by Bang. Or I have a couple friends, actually. Cheers.
All the pain.
And like get the food and eat it there, and then bring it over here, and then take pre, and then go? Do you bring the food over here, I eat, and then we talk, and while I eat, and then we take pre, then go? Like what? What are we doing?
I don't care. I have a request though.
Yo,
I want one of your meals.
you big bastard.
They just look so good.
As they should. As they should.
And I'm not asking for like 10, I just want one.
As you should.
Okay.
Alright, well, bring the shit then, and then let's do it.
Alright, I'm coming.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
That was Luke. It's lunchtime. I have all of his meals because he was out of town for the weekend. All that on the center shelf is his pre-made meals from Spartan something. I don't remember the name of their company. But the dude's name is Colby, and he's a cool dude. And yeah, I'm gonna try these meals, see how they taste. Let's go check it out. Moment of truth. Do I work out in the Metcon 4s, the Metcon 3s, the Epic Reacts? Let's be honest. I wear those to work in. These are my workout shoes. We'll go with the Metcon 4s. That's awkward. So now I make the long journey to Luke's apartment. I live in 3044. I have Luke's meals. Let's go. And Luke lives at 3076. So it's like a 100-yard walk, if that. Luke and I are throwing words at each other. There's meals. What is this? What kind of muffins are these? Blueberry streusel. Sounds good. And Luke is just dying in his bed. They're called Spartan Performance Meals. And there's a lot of them. And we're about to eat lunch and go ham.
Or I'll just record on the table. That'll make way more sense to me. Way more.
I went to get your face in this stupid lot.
Hell yeah.
So this is just a bunch of carbs, this is just a bunch of meat. Luke said he just likes to get pounds of meat.
Me.
Some Hawaiian chicken sandwiches. Kind of cool. Oh, look here, here's broccoli and meat.
Hell yeah.
Chameleonaire, got some options. Chia. So now Luke's fridge is stocked with meals.
Hell yeah! I'm so happy. I was so hungry for so long.
Now I don't have to cook for him anymore.
Hell yeah.
He's got food. I'm jacking a chicken sandwich.
I don't blame you.
Alright, so Spartan Mills, I'm going to find out how it goes. It's just a little local place here in the Dallas area, McKinney to be exact. I'm actually really excited about this. I'm pretty sure that is sweet potatoes. Yep, that is sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Oh my gosh, my heart. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. Alright, so we got the chicken sandwich and we got the sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes are bomb. Chicken sandwich is bomb. I don't know what this is. It kind of tastes like sour cream with something else in it. It's amazing. Dipping the sandwich in it. Luke's enjoying himself quite a bit. So yeah, first experience with a meal prep company. It's dope. It's cool. It's like food. That's good. that I didn't pay for. That's on tap. I didn't make it. I didn't pay for it. It's on tap. Luke paid for it. I just drove and got it. So thank you.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you. It's good stuff, seriously though. If you're in the Dallas area, check these guys out. This is, once again, this is not a sponsored video, but it is good, so give it a shot. So when your best friend is sponsored by Bang and there's Bang everywhere, you kind of take advantage of the pre-workout.
Bang, bang. Yes. Fuck it.
I didn't get it all on camera, but I got some of it. Luke and I took pre-workout at least 30 minutes ago. He's itching a lot. Just trying to get to the gym, even though it's literally like 20 seconds from our apartments. We're just going all over the place. It's great.
Made it.
Luke just did a story, but now I'm gonna do a story. He's soaked. I'm soaked, but you can't tell because I'm wearing black. We did back, a little bit of eyes, because my arms are tiny, and a little bit of shoulders. So that's what we do. Oh look, story. Okay, workout done. I wasn't even gonna come to the gym today. Luke friggin' made me, and I'm grateful for it. So, moral to the story is you may not always feel like doing things, but that's why you have a good gym partner and a good friend to make you get up off your lazy butt and do something. Post-workout oatmeal, nothing in it. It's plain. Took me a long time to get to that point in my life. And turkey burgers. I don't typically patty them out. Normally I just make it one big mess and then I'll add rice. But since I'm having the oats, I decided that I would do the burgers itself. Normally, if I was in a rush after my workout, I would go with some protein powder. You guys have heard me talk about Lane Norton's Build. It's cheap on bodybuilding.com because they are clearancing it out, and it's pretty decent protein. But because I have plenty of time, I am making actual food post-workout. The gym is done. Food is ate. Had a shower. Now it's time to study up a little bit for work this week, and then maybe watch some Netflix. Kind of boring. But, oh, so check it out. Part of what I do in the summer, well, if this thing would focus, that'd be cool, right? All right, so part of what I do for my summer job, it's a lot of sales stuff. So we decided to make my apartment our quote-unquote unofficial office. I've kind of been using chairs to prop my feet up with, and you can see markers. And this is our official office TV. I get to use it for personal use, which is great. We got our boards, so we can keep track of sales and all that good stuff. And this is for like trainings and whatnot. So it's kind of neat. There's a little look into my life as far as my apartment goes and what I do for my summer job. So yeah.